Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Reckless Love on drums. Let's start with the fundamental groove. Your kick drum will play a steady quarter note pulse, hitting on 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simultaneously, your hi-hat will maintain a consistent eighth note pattern, providing a smooth, driving feel. The snare drum comes in on beats 2 and 4, creating the backbeat. Focus on making these three elements lock together tightly for a solid foundation. This basic pattern is crucial for the entire song. Moving into the verse, you'll want to lighten your touch on the hi-hat, perhaps playing softer eighth notes or even quarter notes for a more open feel. The pre-chorus builds anticipation. Try incorporating subtle ghost notes on the snare drum between the main backbeats. Gradually increase your dynamic level here, pushing the energy forward without rushing the tempo. This section is about creating a sense of rising emotion, preparing the listener for the main hook. Maintain a consistent tempo throughout. The chorus is where the energy truly explodes. Play a strong, driving beat, often with open hi-hats on the and of 4, or even a crash cymbal on beat 1 of each phrase for maximum impact. The bridge typically introduces a dynamic shift, often moving into a halftime feel. This means the snare drum might hit on beat 3 instead of 2 and 4, creating a heavier, more expansive sound. Focus on precision and power in these sections. For fills, keep them simple and effective, often using a single stroke roll or a basic tom-tom pattern to transition between sections. The outro of Reckless Love typically involves a gradual fade, slowly decreasing volume while maintaining the core groove. To master this song, consistent practice is key. Use a metronome to ensure your timing is impeccable, and listen closely to the original recording to capture the nuances and feel. Repetition will build muscle memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.